If you're often on Chinese social media or have watched some Chinese drama, you should have heard of the word 人家 said in a cute tone.
啊？
一定是人家在你旁边睡得太舒服了，才会流口水。
This is Winkie, an online Chinese teacher from the UK. So, how do we use 人家 and what does that mean? In fact, it has two main meanings. The first one, it means the others, other people, another person. Using 人家 in this way is a very casual way to emphasize and express the others or other people. 你说话小声点儿，你吵到人家了。Now, let's move on to our main focus for today and our second meaning of 人家, which, surprisingly, 人家 can mean me or I. How? It is used in an extremely casual way, and usually it would be used in a cute or pretend to be cute tone. In this way, you're showing that you're cute. So, females have a higher percentage of using 人家 meaning I or me. 你不送我回家，人家要生气了。你为什么生气？人家只是关心你。Well, this is not the real me, but you know what I mean, yeah? Now, can you form your own sentences using 人家 with the two meanings that we just learned? Let me know in the comment section and I will correct them for you. If you like this video or feel like you have learned something, feel free to click the like button, share to your friends, or subscribe to the channel. 我们下次见。